Welcome. In front of me I have the LEDGER Nano X, and today I'll show you how to buy currency through their application. So number one, you obviously will need to get their application just so you can use the actual ledger itself. And from there, I already have it right over here. So once you launch it, connect the ledger to the application itself. From there, all you really need to do is go to either the middle button right here, the two arrows, and you can buy, sell, and this will take you to this page right over here. So obviously if you want to sell, you can choose that option right here. If you have some currency that you want to get rid of, you have history. If you want to buy it, it will be using, as you can see, Coinify as a source for you to get it, to basically exchange actual dollars to whatever the currency it is that you're going to choose. So select right here, buy now. This will give you the basically list of currencies that you can pick from. Now there is way more currencies on the ledger itself as a for you to actually store it on than it is for you to actually swap dollars to crypto. As you can see, this is basically all we get right here. Now I'm just gonna pick the most common one, so either Bitcoin or Ethereum. It doesn't really matter which one you pick, the process is basically the same. So just click on one, and then it also will require you to have that wallet. So if you don't have a wallet for the currency that you want to get, you can click right here, add account, and this will basically create a wallet for you that you can then pick, so you can actually store the crypto somewhere. You need to have wallet for the crypto that you want to get. Each wallet is separate. Each wallet has a specific address for the specific crypto that you are trying to get. Now from here, you can either choose to go with the Nano X, which I believe will automatically transfer the funds, in this case for me Ethereum, straight to the ledger, or you can go with the device or without the device, which will store it on the phone temporarily, unless till the moment you actually transfer it over. And right here, as you can see, it gives us the amount that you pay, so you can change that, and this is going to be the static amount that you get. And obviously you can go either way. You can select, for instance, right here that you want to, can I actually change it? There we go. It looks like I actually cannot change the you get, which would have been better. So you can select right here what how much money you want to invest into it, and it will show you only how much you will get. Additionally, you have the exchange rate at the bottom, and you can also change the currency. So as an example, I can select to be a USD, so probably more commonly used for everybody that is going to be watching this, especially in English. So as you can see, right now it shows me the exchange rate based on the Coinify, I believe, that was using it. So 1 Ethereum, it's going for 3,225.52 cents. So that is basically how much you will be paying. And from there, select how much you want to invest. It will show you how much you get, and select buy now. Now I'm not going to be going over the entire fill out process with all your information. Here you do need to create an account. So create it, and because this is a application that does kind of exchange money and stuff like that, I assume you'll probably need to provide some credentials to the Coinify, because this is strictly Coinify. And once you do so, you'll be able to, well, you will receive your funds. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.